Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who stalk you on Facebook. For example, if you want to know who visits your profile and stalks you regularly on your Facebook, but he is not your friend, or if someone is your friend and also stalks you on Facebook profile, and if you want to check about that, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating, you have to simply open the Facebook app again. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store, and after updating, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook. And after installing the latest version, you have to simply open the Facebook app again, and here you can simply change your Facebook settings. For this, you have to simply open the Facebook, and after opening the Facebook, you have to simply change the setting. And if your Facebook profile is public, then you can check your analytics related to your Facebook profile. Otherwise, you will not be able to see who stalks you on Facebook profile. If you have a Facebook page, then you can simply also check who visits your page regularly, and by checking your likes and comments. But if you have a simple Facebook profile, then will be very difficult for you. But there are many apps which provide you that facility, because these kind of apps are dangerous for your device. So I would recommend you to not to install that kinds of app, because many apps are fake. So you have to make sure that before using that app. So if you want to know about, there is only method that you can simply check is you have Facebook page or public profile, where you can simply check for Facebook analytics, and you can simply get who visits your Facebook profile or page. Otherwise, there is no option available that you can simply check who stalks you on Facebook. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.